Let's just check this out. So here's the opening. There's a deadbolt. I do recommend getting that deadbolt device right there. That's in the middle. That works pretty good. The operator arms are pretty solid. They're not as noisy as the Mighty Mule and they open faster. I use the box from my Mighty Mule system. And here's the Ghost controller control box. Super heavy duty and sealed. So and here's a look at that deadbolt option that I got on there. So that popped out a little bit. And then there's the receiver end of it. So yeah, I mean, it's a great system. Here's my busy highway. That's why we put this in for my dogs and everything. And here's the closure of it, just to finish the video. I like this little device here. It pops open and shuts, and that really makes a good secure fitting. Nobody can really open it, and we get a lot of high wind here in the Pacific Northwest. So that's the system. The antenna on this system also is phenomenal. I can open it from about 100 feet away, no problem. The box is nice. Here's my Mighty Mule system, old box. I'm using that as a battery container for the battery backup of this system. So yeah, overall